Hi students, let's start a new lesson. So that is a very interesting and very beautiful lesson of our biology part, that is the natural resources. So already we know that the meaning of natural resources. Natural means the materials or the things which are provided by nature itself. So there is no any materials made by the nature by the help of human beings. So those are not considered as, or the materials which are prepared by the nature itself, those are called the natural materials. And resources means the things which are useful to the human beings. The materials which are useful to the human beings for their living purpose. So that kind of materials are considered as the natural resources. And already we know that in the solar system there are 8 different kinds of planets are there. In those, only the Earth is the one and only planet we will get the life on that. So as we know it, so life exists only on the Earth. So life on Earth is depending on many factors. So most of the life forms we know they need the appropriate temperature, the water, the food, and the other resources like the nutrients and the energy that is actually provided by the sun, and the many basic requirements of all the life forms are present on the earth. So here you can make one question, that what are those resources present on the earth? So first of all, the main resources which supports the life on the earth, they are the energy provided by the sun, that is the light energy, or the land, the water, and the air. The light, the land, the water, and the air. So these are the very, very, very important resources present on the earth for the support of life on the earth. So without any one of these, we can't imagine the presence of life on the earth. So already we know that when we are going to study the surface and the internal structure of the earth, so it has many layers, and the outermost layer of the earth is called the lithosphere. The outermost layer, the outer crust of the earth is called lithosphere. So the lithosphere contains, or the water covers 75% of the earth's surface. So the earth's surface consists, or it contains, or it is surrounded by the 75% of the water. So that is the very, very crucial and very important natural resource that is present in the support of the life. So it is also found under the ground. These comprises the hydrosphere, so that may be the the water may be present in the different water bodies, that may be the oceans, or maybe the sea, or maybe the rivers, or maybe the pond, lakes. So the presence of water on the earth, maybe that is in the different water bodies, but that consists 75% of the earth's surface. So this is called the hydrosphere. This is called the hydrosphere. And the air that covers the whole of the earth like a blanket. So on the surface of the earth we can see the air. Completely it is surrounded, the earth is surrounded with the air like a blanket. So that is called the atmosphere. That is called atmosphere. So the living things are found where these three important materials or the things are exists. So that is the land, water and air. These are the very important, the natural resources which are in support of the life. So each one by one we will discuss that one in detail in the next session. Thank you and have a nice day.